Are you using H5P WordPress plugin for creating engaging quizzes and assessments? If yes, we have a good news for you. We just released our H5P Question Importer plugin that can seamlessly import questions from XLSX or CSV. Our user-friendly XLSX or CSV template supports two types of quiz imports right now: multiple choice questions, MCQ, and true-false types. This video is demo for importing multiple choice and true-false questions in H5P for WordPress. Basically, the idea is to fill the template file with MCQ and upload it. So let us explain the simple template file that you can download from the setting area of plugin. This XLSX or CSV template files have following columns. 1. Question type. Define the type of question, such as multiple choice or true-false. 2. Question title, a title for easy search and reporting. 3. Question, the main content of your question. 4. Options 1 to 5, up to 5 possible answers for multiple choice questions. 5. Correct, indicate the correct answer. If you have multiple correct answers, just indicate options in comma separated. 6. Correct answer tips, optional tips for the correct answer. Right answer text, feedback for the correct answer. Once you fill up the file, just select your file, map the columns, and let the plugin do the rest. Let us now demonstrate import of true-false type quiz. Similar to MCQs, you need to fill the defined columns in the template file. Question type. Define the type of question, like true-false. Question title. Fill a title for easy search and reporting. Question, fill the main content of your question. Correct, if your answer is true, fill 1, and if false, fill 2. Feedback on wrong answer, fill optional feedback for wrong answer. Feedback on correct answer, fill optional feedback for correct answer. Once you fill up the file, just select your file and let the plugin do the rest. In no time, your questions will be ready and integrated into H5P, allowing you to focus on what matters most, creating dynamic and interactive learning experiences. Say goodbye to tedious manual entry and hello to efficiency with the H5P Question Importer plugin. Whether you're an educator, instructional designer, or content creator, this tool is designed to make your life easier.